basically, I'm Josh, first of all, Josh Ross.
Okay.
I'm basically located here in Diaz Beach. We own that surf school, basically right over
Oh,
there.
the surf school.
So, yeah, I'm a surf instructor. We basically teach kids how to surf and everything.
Wow. Hi, Graham. Tell me about where you are and what you're doing today.
Well, I'm at Mossel Bay, as you all know, and I'm sitting on a chair. What do you want to know?
Look at me. How much you love me. Gee, that's a lot, huh?
It's not this much.
Okay.
Look here.
Okay. Welcome everybody.
Welcome. Hello.
Yeah, back to Jaunti Vanlife. We are stationary. We are for 3 months, but we move on after this.
Yep.
There's certain factors about that. We have to buy licenses and do this and that, and we're on a budget, so everything revolves around that. But we went to Diaz Beach.
What a nice beach.
Yeah, very beautiful in season for people to swim. Shark net. We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch a video of us traveling full time through South Africa.
Stop.
So riding around this quaint little town of Mossel Bay, streets that go high up, like a little one-way street going up, all these sandstone buildings. Here we're at the harbour. You can't go into the harbour, but this is on the outskirts of it. An oyster bar, London shop, like restaurants. Yeah, so we went and roamed around, and there are about 25 coffee shops, quite a few. It's such a beautiful little coastal town. We absolutely love it. I could stay here forever. It's gorgeous. Looking over this magnificent bay where you see dolphins, many dolphins coming past, and we've even seen the spout of a whale, but not many whales as yet. But I know they are heading down to Hermanus area. So this is this gorgeous restaurant. This stunning coffee shop has a shop with baby clothes, flowers that you can buy that they're artificial, all glass. In fact, children aren't allowed in here because of the way they sell their goods. This quaint restaurant that we sat and had a scone in, I didn't get the name. I can't remember what it's called, but there's so many. You're going to see us eating at different ones. You have to come to the Mossel Bay to experience all the different coffee shops, and naturally you can have cake and a meal. Back to the harbour, you'll see now there's a view coming up right from the top of the mountain. We took it of the view down, and on the right was the harbour. Graham, what we doing so high up here?
Yeah, we came to get some green soap
For what?
for dishes and things.
No.
I found some.
Wait. I thought you were kidding me. Actually, we need that piece. That's so funny, babe. Oh, that is so funny. Okay, so now you see the beautiful view of the town.
Can you see the Seal Island?
Actually, if you point it out.
It's over there.
Where? Okay, there, where? No, your finger. I can't see your finger.
Right at the top by the mountains, come down from there.
Move your finger to the right. Stop. Go down. There. Up a bit. Whoa. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, so Josh, show us your
Welcome
place.
to Surfside.
Yeah.
Still busy renovating and stuff.
Okay.
So usually this was like the only part of the like Surfside.
Yeah.
But we started renting next door to some.
Oh, so you made it bigger.
Last week we broke through here.
Yeah.
But then we were talking to another dude that actually runs a coffee shop, and he's like, listen, why don't you break through everywhere?
Yeah.
Get this windows up, like extra windows,
Yeah.
and also this door is going to be replaced by a glass door.
Okay, stay.
And then we're basically like, we're maybe also going to make like a table here,
Oh, fantastic, man.
chairs everywhere, and then I think
So it's going to be a little coffee shop.
yeah, it's gonna turn into a coffee shop too. So it's gonna, yeah, I'm still gonna take surf lessons and everything, but I'm also gonna, I did the barista course, so
Yes.
I'm the
Okay.
only like trained barista, so then I'm just gonna basically
Oh, wow.
go
So
for
he's
it.
gonna laugh at my boasting when I
Okay,
give you
so-
coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
Why is it Nika?
No, he actually makes mood coffee. And
Oh, mood coffee. Oh,
sometimes
one of
it's
those
not,
little teas.
I don't know if you call it mood
Oh,
coffee,
yeah.
but it's a bubble one.
And then
I've
just
seen
make
that.
some milk, you know.
Yeah, we're actually gonna get one of those espresso
I love it.
huge with those
Yes.
2 quarter filters.
That's
and
what you
everything.
want.
So
Good
what's your
idea.
called here?
Mickey
What's
Mouse.
your
What's the place
place?
called?
Yes.
Surfside.
Surfside. And it's in Diaz Beach.
Diaz Beach. I forgot what the road's name is, but
Okay, but it's on the seashore.
it's right beneath Beach Bar, and yeah, right underneath Beach Bar, and it's at the Diaz Hotel.
Yeah. So
And
this is
it's at beachfront, so it's
fantastic. And you can come for surf lessons.
yeah. And by the way, surf lessons and surf camps for the kids.
Oh,
that
surf
wanna do-
camps.
That's why we got some kids in here.
Okay, so who are you?
My
What's your
assistant.
name?
My name's Mason.
You're a bit dark. Let me move where I can see you. Okay.
My name's Mason Division. I started surfing about a year ago,
Okay.
and yeah, surfing is really fun for me. And yeah, I started here, and my first lesson was the 16th of January, and we've only been staying here for 2 years.
Oh wow, fantastic.
Your
This
surfing
year
competitions
that you
going
started.
crazy.
Oh really?
Last year January.
Ah, okay.
And then,
We saw- we
he's
saw-
the only kid here today, so for now. So
Okay.
other kids are still in school
Ah.
probably.
Oh, that's cute, man.
Just
Oh,
having a
Josh,
little skate
I'm-
session, everything.
And I love the way you dressed.
Thank you. That's just
That's so cool, man.
This is my style.
Yeah.
We're watching a black guy.
Oh, he's trying to practice
Oh, the black
there.
dude, I actually
He
saw
stands on his
him.
board there.
He's actually homeless, funny enough.
Oh,
I don't know.
shut
if
up.
you've seen
I
him a while,
appreciate
and
what he's doing, man.
At least he's
Yeah.
practicing, he's getting stuff in. It's just small waves.
Yeah,
I don't know
wow.
why he's going with a short board,
He's
but
just standing there trying to get back. Hey! How'd you get up there so fast?
Get your wake up and come up here.
You speaking to me?
Get your wake up.
I nearly fell over now. So what we got here today?
So Graham,
Yeah.
I'm busy eating, sorry.
Ah.
So Graham, this fish, I'm telling everybody that this fish is from it's from the market. Fish,
Okay.
it's from the harbour.
Okay.
We go in and we say we're buying fish and we can get some fish and I'm going to cook it tonight. It's fresh, Gab.
I can't remember.
It's like an orange.
Gabbit or something.
Yeah, it's an orange fish. It's so nice tasting. We've had it already once.
Okay.
So we're going to have it tonight. Again.
Oh, it's
Oh, egg. Oh dear, we don't have many eggs left, eh? I think one will be enough.
salt,
Black pepper. We actually don't have fish
black
salt.
pepper.
Fish salt. Oh, that was wrong. We don't have fish spice. Actually, I was sick yesterday. Graham, tell him how sick I was. I had to lie on the bed.
Yeah, yesterday Cindy wasn't well. She was nauseous and had pains in the back and everything, so we had to take her to the chemist and doctor up with a lot of drugs. And she feels a lot better today, so she's got her vinegar.
No, lemon juice.
Oh, lemon juice.
We're going to put that on after.
And now we make the basting with flour. That's the powder. We're going to make, well, this sauce. Is this what you just dip the fish in and put it in the flour?
I'm actually going to use some of this butter that I picked up when we had coffee. If I can get it open. Yeah, they give us, and we don't use it all on our.
Okay, I can see it.
Yeah, so I'm going to put the. It should actually be oil, I think.
Okay.
Oh, and
Try and cook.
here goes.
Okay, fish number 1.
It's not very hot, but it doesn't matter.
Fried.
Yeah, it'll come.
And the number 2.
Especially that I've been not so long. I don't know if you're going to get the best one. Yeah, there it goes. So we'll get rid of that mess.
So this is what our fishies look like. Looking nice, yummy.
The next drama I had is right now I have had a sciatica nerve that is played up, and that's been my drama. So I've been rolling out of bed. So painful, but anyway, I'm getting better. It's now about 4 days later, and yeah, I'm getting there. So follow our journey for this drama. Caravan park and many dolphins, and we have seen whales.
And we're just looking at dolphins now as we carried on.
Today a whole bunch went past, like a pod.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Enjoy, and we'll speak later.
Yeah.
See what happens. Have a good one. Bye.
Graham, okay, so we've told him bye. Oh, okay, I hope this video comes out okay.